Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine bottle corks. First, let's talk about where cork comes from. Cork is the bark of the cork oak tree, primarily found in the Mediterranean region. The initial harvest takes place when the tree reaches about 25 years of age. After that, the bark can be carefully stripped every 9 to 12 years. This sustainable practice ensures the tree's health and allows for continuous cork production for over 200 years from a single tree. Once harvested, the raw cork planks undergo an important processing stage. They are first stacked outdoors and allowed to air dry for about 6 months. Following this, the planks are boiled in large vats of water for approximately 1 hour. This boiling process cleans the cork, flattens the planks, and significantly enhances their elasticity and density. This crucial step ensures the cork is ready for the next stages of transformation into bottle stoppers. After the cork planks are processed, individual wine stoppers are created. Skilled workers or automated machines use a hollow punch to extract cylindrical corks directly from the flattened planks. Modern machinery can punch thousands of corks per hour with precision. Any leftover cork material is not wasted. It's granulated and used to make agglomerated corks, also widely used. The punched corks are then meticulously sorted based on their quality and specific dimensions. The final stage involves finishing and rigorous quality control to ensure the corks are perfect for sealing wine. The punched corks are thoroughly washed, disinfected, and then carefully dried. A thin, food-grade coating, often paraffin or silicone, is applied to the surface. This coating helps create a better seal and allows for easier bottle insertion and removal. Both electronic and manual inspections are performed to check for any defects, ensuring only the highest quality corks make it to bottling lines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.